Hello, my name is Lawrence, and now I'm going to explain the next English vowel sounds. Very often, when all of the English vowel sounds are presented at one time, they group this way. Do you know why? It has to do with the position of our mouth is taking to produce the sound. Now, watch my mouth as I say this first group. E, E, A, A. And where is my mouth more closed and where is it more open? E, A, E, A, E, more closed, A, more open. Let's do the same thing with this group of vowels. U, O, O. U, O, O. As we can see, U, our mouth is closed. A, our mouth is open. U, closed. A, open. Well, our mouth is more open when our tone is low, and our mouth is more closed when our tone is high. Well, our mouth is more open when our tone is low, and our mouth is more closed when our tone is high. When we're talking about front part of the tone and back part of the tone, we have to see this group of vowels. Let me explain you something. For example, here, E, U, A, This group of vowels are called front part of our tongue because when we pronounce them, we use the high part, the high front part of our tongue. And for example, here, the back part of the tongue. U, O, in this group of vowels are called back part of our tongue because we use the high back part of our tongue.